Chapter 8, Sloka 4. Adibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Adibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Adibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschadi Daivatam. Purushaschadi Daivatam. Purushaschadi Daivatam. Adhibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschadi Daivatam. Adibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschaदिदैवतम् Adhibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschaदिदैवतम् Adhibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschaदिदैवतम् Adhibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschaदिदैवतम् Adiyagnohamevatra. 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 Dehe deha britambara. Dehe deha britambara. Dehe deha britambara. Adiyagnohamevatra. 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 Dehe deha britambara. Adibhutang Sharo Bhavaha. Purushaschaदिदैवतम् Adiyagnohamevatra. Dehe deha britambara.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.